You're gonna love the 2019 Toyota Camry. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. At the end of the day, it should be about what your car can do for you, not the other way around. This elegant and efficient Toyota Camry puts you and your passengers at the center. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, lane keeping assist, heated front seat, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels, power driver seat, alarm. Why settle for anything less than excellence? This Camry has all the features you want and need. We'll toss you the keys and help you start an exciting new chapter in your driving story.